In this video you have to find the correct answer.
What is this? Bucket.
The bucket is red and has a handle. The bucket is red and has a handle.
What is this? Pot.
The pot was full of yummy noodles. The pot was full of yummy noodles.
What is this? Reeds.
Frogs like to hide in the reeds. Frogs like to hide in the reeds.
What is this? Clover.
A four-leaf clover brings good luck. A four-leaf clover brings good luck.
What is this? Stump.
The stump was all that was left of the tree. The stump was all that was left of the tree.
What is this? Bush.
A rabbit was hiding under the bush. A rabbit was hiding under the bush.
What is this? Grass.
The grass is soft and green. The grass is soft and green.
What is this? Log.
We found a bug crawling on the log. We found a bug crawling on the log.
What is this? Seeds.
Seeds grow into flowers and trees. Seeds grow into flowers and trees.
What is this? Roots.
Plants drink water through their roots. Plants drink water through their roots.
What is this? Branch.
I climbed the tree and touched a branch. I climbed the tree and touched a branch.
What is this?
Trunk. The tree trunk was big and round. The tree trunk was big and round.
What is this? Handcuffs.
Police use handcuffs to help catch bad guys. Police use handcuffs to help catch bad guys.
What is this? Policeman.
The policeman helps keep our town safe. The policeman helps keep our town safe.
What is this? Badge.
The policeman wore a shiny badge on his shirt. The policeman wore a shiny badge on his shirt.
What is this? Whistle.
The policeman blew his whistle to stop the cars. The policeman blew his whistle to stop the cars.
What is this? Baton.
The police officer held a baton in his hand. The police officer held a baton in his hand.
What is this? Taser.
The taser makes a sound when it turns on. The taser makes a sound when it turns on. Thank you for the watching.